Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. In last video we found out how to find if a number was a divisor of another number. Well, we're going to build upon that, and we are going to find all the factors of one number. So we take that number and check every number below it to see if it is a divisor. So we're going to use the same technique of taking that number and dividing it into the original number and seeing if we have a remainder. So let's think about that. But first, we're going to collect all of those digits, all of those numbers. And a tool that we know how to use in Python is a list. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create an empty list. And there are two ways we can do this. The first way we're going to do it in this video is we're going to use a for loop. So now how we're going to do it is we need to check every number below this number. And what tool do we have to do that? If you've not watched range function with for loop, go and watch that and then come back and watch this, because that's exactly what we're going to do. So we don't have to think of all the numbers. We're going to allow Python to do it for us. So all of these numbers below it. So now, this first time through, I'm going to leave two mistakes here, and we're going to see if anybody can catch it. So now, from last video, we learned to use the modulo to find if a number is a divisor or factor. So then we need to test this if x modulo I, because we want to check all of the digits that are below. Then we do our comparison, equal to 0. Then if that's true, then we want to take our list and add it to it. Oops, D. And if you've not seen the video on list and append, go watch that, come back and watch this, and I explain what I'm doing there. So we want to append I, and then here we're just going to print D. So now, to remind you, factors, we're just going to do something simple. Just to remind you, this has two errors in it. It won't be accurate. Let's see if you can catch them already. So let's run this. And okay, I have another one that I didn't see. That's supposed to be in for I in range. Now let's run it. Alright. Whoa, threw up all over the place. This is why I love Python. It tells exactly where the error is. Right here. Boom. Because if it's not specified, it starts at 0. So let's not even worry about 1, because 1 is a divisor of all numbers. So we're going to jump right to 2. So that's not completely fixed. That's only one of them. So let's run it again. Okay, so the factors for 8, 2, and 4. Well, 8's a factor. Why didn't this work? Give you a hint right there. Because this is exclusive. So to make sure that we include 8, we've got to add 1. So let's run this. So now, right here, that is that. But if we're going to need to use this later, we really need to turn this into an actual function that creates something. So let's return D. Let's turn it into return so that later we can do this. So there we go. So this is how we create a function that finds the factors of a number. So next time we're going to do it in list comprehension, so it's a little cleaner and a lot neater and really short and simple and concise, and I love it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, make sure you're clicking that notification bell. So please leave any comments, questions, or my most favorite, any video requests. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.